Oh no! Hey guys, it's freezing in here, which is not ideal, but we're gonna be figuring out whether this stuff works, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gearing up right now to take the power steering pump out, but if you notice, there's a whole bunch of these rusted pieces. We've got clamps, we've got bolts and washers, we got a hose line down here, an entire bracket. We've got a bracket over here too, a bracket down there. Let's see, even this one right here can be refinished. So I'm gonna be taking all of these rusted pieces off, and then we're gonna be seeing how well Metal Rescue rescues this engine. Yeah. All right, so we're inside and it is 70 degrees in here, and that is really important. So let me show you why. I've got my setup right here. We've got our pizza and our coffee and our Metal Rescue, and I've got all these parts off the car. So I got some spring clamps, super rusted, this one too. We've got all the hardware that goes along with all of these brackets and everything. And I don't even know what this is made of. All I know is that it has rusted. Ooh, it has rusted slightly, so maybe it's steel that's been coated or something like that. But we're gonna see how the Metal Rescue works on that. And then I even have one of the brackets, super rusty, and we're gonna see how this all works. This Metal Rescue stuff isn't supposed to affect paint. In fact, it says no acid. Because it's not an acid, it actually, on the back, says use at room temp 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius or above. You can also see it's supposed to be pretty safe. It says it's safe and easy solution for removing rust from iron and steel. So, you know, I don't know what these all are, but hopefully it doesn't mess them up. But we're gonna be figuring that out soon. And we are all set. So I've got this set up for time lapse. I'm gonna prep this stuff real quick. Then we're gonna get the reaction going, and then we'll come back and check it out.
I'll just cover that up. All these.
It's only been a couple hours and these bolts are starting to look absolutely brand new. So I was thinking about jumping ahead, and I'm gonna be rebuilding this power steering pump, and so I'm gonna go ahead and dip the whole thing. It's supposed to be non-corrosive, so all the gaskets and stuff should be fine, but I'm gonna be rebuilding it like I said, so all the gaskets are gonna be replaced, and we're gonna see how this works, dipping the entire power steering pump in the Metal Rescue. Comment down below if you think this is gonna work out. Let me know.
The whole power steering pump, the whole power steering pump.
Alright, so it's been 24 hours and at this point it's starting to leak out of the Ziploc bags, so I'm going to switch it over to a Tupperware container. But I wanted to take this time to just show you guys what the Metal Rescue has done so far. So, got one piece. Oh my, it looks... This is epic. This is like the best stuff ever. So I'm going to put this over here. Let's see what else we got. Wow. Wow, and I can just sort of smudge a lot of it off at this point. Oh my, wow. Money saver. What? What? You can see it's still working on the... That was rust. That was rust before. That was... It's not rust anymore. Okay. I'm getting excited. This is 1,000 times better than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, this is ridiculous. This part was like a goldish before. I thought it was brass. There's... what? This is a spring clamps. So what we got? Woo! Ooh. Alright, they got a little bit of a ways to go. These were so rusted before, but you can see it's getting through. I think that was the original finish right there. And it is getting through. Wow, this is amazing. Oh. Have one more in here. Oh my. I was gonna buy a new one of these too. I was like, if this stuff doesn't work, I'm just gonna buy a new bunch of clamps and everything, but this is like... Ooh. We'll just consolidate. Ugh.
48 hours later.
Alright, so this is the moment we've all been waiting for, especially myself. It's been about 72 hours, so I just wanted to let it go. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, and we're car shopping right now with my mom. So let's check it out. Ooh, key. Sweet. Oh wow, okay. Oh man. So there is a warning on there. It says that if it's in here for too long, it could turn black. And it looks like it's starting to turn a little black, but I figure I can paint them later on anyway. But yep, no more rust. And that's really what I was trying to get rid of. So that looks so much better than before. This is just pristine. This is a new part. Here's the other one. Wow. Super clean. Super duper 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 clean. Wow, it's just super legit. Alright. This is the other one that we're working on. You see it's taking off the rust, but it's got a lot more to go. So hopefully this stuff holds up and continues to work. It definitely worked right there. Alright, but we'll just keep this one in here for a little bit longer. Some of these parts are going to go back on the car right now, and the other parts, you know, we'll just have go for a little bit longer. But wow, that looks freaking perfect. Probably just going to let this one go completely. If it's turning back to black, like, yeah, I'm just going to keep it in there. Cool. And here's a real test. Whoosh. Alright. Woo! It's the color of metal. That's pretty sweet. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. So. Alright. This is perfect. This is awesome. You can just dip everything directly into the mess, it seems. So, metal rescue, yeah. Leave your comments down below if you think this stuff's awesome. You're probably gonna end up using it now, I imagine, because I'm definitely gonna stick to this stuff. This stuff is friggin', this is magic. Like, no acid, no nothing. And I think I'm gonna be able to, yep. I'm gonna be able to scrub this and it's gonna come completely off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rebuild this. Alright, so here are the end results with the metal rescue. You see, I didn't have to buy a new power steering pump, so that worked really well, and I rebuilt it with this kit right here. And if you want to check that video out, it's up here in the corner. And then here are the bolts. They look spotless now, brand new. This rust was pretty bad, and now it's just sort of black crud. And it's a little black because I left it in there for a little too long, but it's okay. And then we got this, it's all cleaned up, no rust. This, what? Look at that. Oh wow. And if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe and share with all your friends. We've got decals for sale, and and t-shirts if you go to zturnerdesigns.com/shop, the link in the description below. So I found that by heating up the solution to about 80 degrees, it works a lot better and it works within 24 hours. If it's more around 71 degrees like I was trying in the beginning, then it might take up to 72 hours or maybe even longer. So temperature matters. Metal Rescue. Thumbs up. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.